all like it.
Definitely.
Are we ready to dance?
Archimedes' new understanding of volume and displacement law proved very helpful. So helpful, in fact, that we're still talking about it today. Now, for this activity, your teacher will put you into groups of 2 or 3. Only one of you can be Archimedes, but the other person or people could be the bathtub or the onlookers celebrating as Archimedes has his fantastic discovery.
Here we are, and these are geysers. Now, the air in Iceland is cold, but the magma heats up these pools, and wait for it, water shoots up into the air.
Wow!
We've learned so much today, and we can spread the word of being an anti-bullying advocate now.
Absolutely. Now, all we need to do is ask these 4 questions.
And then we can come back and learn a little song to wrap it all up.
Let it take you back many centuries ago. Man came to Britain to escape the snow. Hunters and gatherers landed here. Nomads chasing mammoths and deers. It was a Paleolithic age when living in caves was all the rage.
Join in. Go up. Oh, I can feel it.